Turn that video off.
No.
Yes.
Okay. So my brother's gonna warm up a banana in the microwave. Okay, go.
Just tell Dad that I'm warming up something.
Okay. Having trouble.
Next time if I see an African American, I'm gonna kill him.
Actually, it's fine. Here. Yeah, you need to put a towel under that. Here we go. That didn't do.
See, look what it starts to do.
That didn't do nothing. 50.
Stop it.
Time.
It's not warm yet.
See?
If I'm warm, don't do it for 50 seconds. Don't even think about it. It's gonna catch the house on fire.
Oh, it's a banana.
Yeah, it will.
It's a
10 seconds.
20. 15.
10. It's getting funny.
No. Ooh.
Please. It's gonna burn.
It's not even.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Priscilla, stop.
What the heck? It's not warm or nothing.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. You need to get warm. Now take a bite out of it.